Assalamu alaikum. I'm the industry.
I'm the academia.
We've got thousands of IT companies that drive millions of rupees worth of businesses in Pakistan.
We don't really talk like that, but hey, how come we've never heard about all these great things that you're talking about?
We're always looking to hire new people because there's so much demand for growth.
Well, I make the grades and I am highly skilled.
I can never find the fresh grads who actually know their stuff.
We know it all, but we can't find a company that's willing to invest in us.
I have a vision.
And I have the drive, passion and commitment.
And I have a dream. Eh?
Huh?
Wait a second, are we?
Saying the same thing? Yes, yes.
Campus Conversations. Bridging the gap. Log on to www.ciopakistan.com for more details.
We really liked it. We have learned a lot. I'm really glad about everything that people offered. They've offered to help us out, to train us as well. And what I didn't like was that the session was somewhat a little short because everything could not be covered. But I hope they're willing to do more sessions afterwards. That'll be great as well. They are great. They're willing to help us out, and I think it's really encouraging for all of us to know that people of high-end industry, who have already a lot to do, want to take time out and help us out. Campus Conversations should have started a long time ago. We really needed it.
Conversation जो हम लोग के इस तरीके से conduct हुई है, that was very valuable for us. Before that, we have never been through these type of conferences. That was really valuable for us. But one thing I really want to mention, that is कि उन्होंने कहा कि जब internships होती है तो बहुत ज़्यादा value दी जाएगी, this and that. But usually that doesn't happen. जब मैं Siemens में internship के लिए गई थी तो इस तरीके से हुआ था कि they asked us to pass their files to the next desk. That usually happens. But I hope कि वो इसको cover up करें اور ہمیں وہ چیزیں واقعی میں پرووائڈ کریں جو انہوں نے یہاں پہ کمٹ کیا. اس طریقے سے وہ ہم لوگوں کو کمٹ کیا ہے انہوں نے کہ وہ ہمیں کریں گے. ہم لوگوں کو لرننگ, اصل میں ہم لوگ وہاں جاتے ہیں لرننگ کے لیے, اور وہاں پہ ہمیں لرننگ نہیں ہوتی. دے جسٹ آسک اس ٹو پاس دی فائلز ٹو دی نیکسٹ ڈیٹ. تو اس طریقے سے ہوتا ہے, وہاں پہ ہماری لرننگ بالکل بھی نہیں ہوتی ہے. بہت ہی ان سیریس بیہیویئر, اور کہہ تو انہوں نے کمٹ تو کر دیا ہے. وی جسٹ ہوپ کہ he fulfills his commitment.
I'm very glad to be a part of this conversation, and after that I want to tell you that کہ اس ٹائپ کی conversation تو ہونی چاہیے, اور ڈے ٹو ڈے نہیں تو منتھلی بیسس پہ ایسی conversation ہونی چاہیے. باقی یہ کہ جو بھی کمپنیز آئی تھیں وہ اسٹوڈنٹس کو اور کوالیفائڈ کرنے کی کوشش کریں, بجائے اس کے کہ ان کو پک اپ کریں رینڈملی پک کرنے کے بجائے ان میں سے کوالٹیز ان کی چیک کریں, اور اپنے HR ڈپارٹمنٹ کو اتنا اسٹرانگ بنائیں کہ وہ اسٹوڈنٹ کو دیکھ کر اس سے انٹرویو لے کے اس کی کوالٹیز کو انہانس کرنے کی کوشش کریں. یہ نہیں کہ اس کی کوالٹیز اتنی ہیں تو اتنی ہی رہیں, اس کو بڑھانے کی کوشش کریں. تو بجائے یہ بہتر یہ تھا کہ کیمپس کنورسیشن میں یہ تھا کہ کمپنیز نے اپنے ایک رسپیکٹیبل نمائندے بھیجے تھے یہاں پہ جو کہ کچھ کمنٹ کر سکتے تھے کہ ہم یہ کر سکتے ہیں. تو یہ بہتر لگا کہ کوئی ایک رسپانسبل پرسنالٹیز تھیں, اور یہ مجھے بہت اچھا لگا کہ اس کنورسیشن میں آئی ہوں.
I just wanted to say about that conversation which we had a few minutes ago that lasted just now, that it was very much a great platform for the juniors or for the fresh ones, that they will provide a great vistas and avenues for the upcomer graduates of the universities. So, and before that we were just like a empty bottle. They just fills it with their good behavior and their experience, and now we can lead our lives accordingly and we can change the world better. And the things that I liked the most was their behavior to the students, as they are very much professionals. They were very much at high levels. They were higher postmen and persons, but the way they talk to the graduating level students, it was very much awesome, and that I enjoyed a lot, that they gave us chance to just speak up, and the queries which we were having, and now we are just all equipped with that solve queries. So I'm very much glad that I have attended that meeting, that conversation, and inshallah in future I'll definitely be joining that more sessions. Thank you.
Well, this conference has been a great knowledge for me, and it was first time that I've entered into such conferences. And at first the internship, and the one time she came in front of me, it was just like a few weeks job, sort of job thing, and which I just sort of spend of time after graduation in order to cover up the requirements of the university. But now I mean that it can be very much effective in your job opportunities as well, and can generate a lot more than what it seems to be. And especially those people or the heads they brought in with them and their discussions and those question answer sessions, though I didn't take so much part in it, but still it was pretty much of informative, and I had a good time. And really that this time was a bit, it should be extended 30 minutes more. First of all, the environment which is generated here between the students and so big companies heads and employees, it was a pretty frank environment. This is what really attracted me, and I watched a 2-hour movie, I get bored usually. In this meeting, in this conference, I didn't get bored for a minute.